Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Monday, the 20th of May, 2024. Just doing a real estate tap in with you for today. So, a couple of things. There was a loan sale with Fannie Mae. So, this means that some banks that are pulling together some of their non-performing and reperforming assets, meaning that some of the assets that have gone bad, which are non-performing, they're pooling together and selling into the secondary market. And then some of the loans that they have started to get repaying, which is reperforming, they're pooling those together as well. And I'll attach a link to the Fannie Mae website where you'll see their press release. But the thing that caught me was that there are three different pools. It's about 6,500 loans, and they just had the winning bid. I think it was right before the weekend, and it's expected to close in June. But what you'll see on there is that they're paying about 32% of value of the BPO value for these loans. And why that's so interesting is because what happens is that once they get this 6,500 pool of loans, they're going to go through them, and they're not going to want everything. And so because they're buying at about 30 cents on the dollar, the ones that they don't want, the things that they don't want to be bothered with, they can sell off to smaller investors like yourself, like me, at 45 cents on a dollar, maybe even 50 cents on a dollar, and still make a good profit because they're only buying it at 32 cents on a dollar, around 30 cents on a dollar. So this is what is out there. This is what is going to be coming. You'll start to see more of this. This was the 31st loan sale that they've had. Now this goes back a number of years, but they've had 30 of these sales. And like I said, because of where things are, a lot of people are having issues making payments. You're going to see more of this. So that was one thing that really caught my eye. The other thing is that I'll attach a link to is that this guy is a really big investor. I forget his name off the top of my head, but he's African American guy, really big in real estate. He says that now is the best time for private money to come into the market. And this is what I've been trying to get people to realize, is that there's a lot of opportunity on the real estate side for private money. You can get really good interest on your money because we're in a high interest rate environment. Even maybe if you come in a little bit low than what is already out there, you're still getting a very good interest rate, possibly on money that is just sitting somewhere. So if you, someone family member, friend, if you have money somewhere and it's not getting a high rate of interest, you need to look at real estate as an opportunity right now. There are a lot of people that can use the money, me included, to put to work for you safely and securely, backed by real estate. So everything will, you'll get a promissory note, you'll have a security agreement. So with all the documentation, the money will be attached to a property. So, you'll make sure that you can recoup your initial investment. But what is needed in this market right now is private money. Banks are pulling back because of all the things that are going on the commercial side, and the stress in the banking system right now. They're pulling back. And so the people that take the opportunity to put their money, whether it's you as an individual or maybe it's 3 or 4 of you come together, everybody puts in a certain amount, based on whatever deal you're going in. Everybody in that particular group is going to get XYZ in terms of a monthly return or quarterly return on it. But we have to take advantage of these opportunities right now in the market. There are deals everywhere. There's, you know, subject to deals, possibly fix and flip deals. So it's just a good time for private money looking to go to work and to make a higher rate of interest to come into the real estate market. So if you're somebody that wants to talk about these opportunities that are out there, you know, comment on the video. Let's talk and see if we can, you know, start a relationship, start a partnership or something like that to take advantage of those opportunities out there. So and another thing, just really quickly, there's a $10 million real estate fund, commercial real estate fund, that's on the verge of collapsing. I'll attach that article as well if you want to take a look at it. Starwood Partners, they're really big with like hotels and different things like that. So you know, the people that contributed to this fund see the issues that are going on in commercial, and they want their money. But Starwood is not honoring everyone's request to get their money out because they don't have the money. Now, where the money went, what happened, don't know. Not making any assumptions about that, but there are people that are calling this particular company looking for their money and can't get it. And that's a problem. And that's probably not the only fund like that. So that may be something that you'll see as well. So, all right, everyone, have a great one. We'll talk to you soon. Like I said, please reach out, please comment if you want to, you know, talk about some of these opportunities that are out there. Have a good one.